Welcome to the Jellyfish Alcohol Ink and Resin art class. As I've said at previous classes and you may have heard, I absolutely love layering resin in between alcohol ink layers because I feel it gives it so much more dimension and interest. This time we're going to be working on a dark surface, so the rules of alcohol inks are a little bit different. Let me show you what we're going to be working on. This is the piece that we're going to be creating in this class. Because alcohol inks are a transparent medium, they don't show up on dark surfaces. So there's a few things that you need to do in order to be able to create on a dark surface and have your piece show up. And we're going to be covering that in this class. There's also a supply list that comes with this class that lists all the items that we are going to be using, as well as where you can find them and have them shipped directly to your door, if that is your choice. I'll also share with you how I like to seal my alcohol inks before adding the resin to it so that my resin is not going to react with my alcohol inks and have them move around where I don't want them to go. You ready to get started? Let's go.